Well, I'll tell you what, I just like doing these darn little videos and chit-chatting with you guys and seeing how you're doing. And thanks for writing me, okay, and asking me questions. You can always ask me something just below if you're on my YouTube channel, okay? Whenever you write a question or a comment, it just, I don't know, it'll pop up on my home computer here or on my cell phone. And Cory at CoryDraper.com. That seems to be everyone's favorite to contact me, okay? So email me anytime, guys, okay? 24 hours a day, because when you have an online business, when it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon here, it could be 3 in the morning in Australia. And boy, my Asian downline, they're 15 hours ahead here in Utah. So don't be shy, guys. I take it upon myself to do the best I can to help you, okay? If you're signing up in any of my opportunities or just take my advice and give them a shot, I definitely will help you as much as I can. I firmly believe in everything I talk about. And you can bet your buns, if I am promoting something in a video, it's making me money, okay? The reason why I can be brutally honest about that is because all my online opportunity relies on affiliate marketing, network marketing, okay? Where if you make money, I can make money. All right. And if I make money, I'm going to just tell you about the opportunity and help you. So if you do sign people up, let's say in whatever opportunity you want to join, if I can help you get signups, obviously it might just trickle up into my piggy bank too. Okay. That's the beauty of most network or affiliate based marketing, or call it a structured matrix, an MLM, whatever. Okay. The beauty about it is that you can have darn near zero education. Guys, I was booted out of high school, okay? But I know right now each month I'm on par with some pretty darn professional people out there that probably had to go to maybe college 8 to 10 years. Or maybe they've really busted their buns and have created a product or a service that's just mind-blowing, okay? My income I talk about is about a year and a half ago, right around April to March of 2023. Okay. So about a year and a half, I'll be, my 2-year anniversary will be roughly April of 2025. But I'm just a storytelling guy. I like to turn my webcam on, share my screen, share opportunities that seem to work for me. Everything I do complements each other. I do not sell pizza and then car tires, stereos, and who knows, maybe coffee mugs. Okay. I don't mind selling things. I can go on Amazon right now and or ClickBank and sell someone else's opportunity, or I can probably go to China like AliExpress, or is it Alibaba, and just buy everything as rock bottom as possible and try to, make a profit, obviously, from, let's see, how about this old school truck I just bought? Okay. Someone probably made this literally for 25 cents and I paid $3 or $4 for it. Okay. Awesome. I love that truck too, by the way. I'm a big fan of collecting Hot Wheels, if you can't tell. But I like to, at this point, after a year and a half, keep things about as simple as I can when it comes down to my videos. Okay? I've always had my best results by, maybe storytelling a little bit. Okay? Being calm, cool, collected, and then just inviting you to a link. Everything I do revolves around setting something up one time. I like to make a business card. I like to get a domain name from GoDaddy. And then I'm really good at emailing or posting on social media or making a video like this where I invite you to a link. Okay. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Pardon my burp. I just had one of my good friends, Tina, make me banana bread and pumpkin bread, I think it is. And then she put chocolate chips in it. It is. I can't stop eating it. Okay. So thank you, Tina. I don't know if you'll ever see the replay of this, but boy, I'll tell you what, around the holidays, it's easy to get chubsty. All right. A little chub. All right. Now, I don't mean the good kind of chub. Us guys kind of like, I mean, like your stomach and your pants get a little tight. Okay. So anyway, I want to just show you something. Okay. Here's my business card. I'm going to shrink up and probably, how about I just kind of hang out at the bottom right of your screen. Now, this is a business card. Okay, this is the template from Vistaprint. You can get business cards exactly like this for about 25 bucks. Big old box. I'm sure they'll last you a year because I don't really focus on handing out business cards, but I sure like to if somebody in person asks me about something. Okay. I might just hand them one of my cards, and on the back, they're white, if you can see. Okay. So I can write notes, but I just put the link to whatever I want people to look at. And like I said, it's me setting something up to where people watch a video and then they make up their mind if are they in or out. I don't want to waste anyone's time. There's nothing more embarrassing than just proposing or begging or pleading for somebody to look into something and to buy something. Okay, it's like going to grandma's house and just, you can do that with Girl Scout cookies and some cool things, but nothing's more embarrassing than being a grown-ass man like myself. I try to be grown-ass, and just asking someone to look at an opportunity, and then I sit there over their shoulder, just desperate and clingy. I don't do that. I will never do that. It's too embarrassing. But I'm really good at going, CoryDraper.com, okay? And then I go to Linktree. See that little logo? If you go to CoryDraper.com, you can make this exact page free. Okay, Linktree's been around a good long time. Most people that do online business know about this. And why don't you just make something like I did? Put a fun background. Go ahead and put any information like Facebook. You can see these little logo things here. And I know they're kind of hard to see with the little water, but here he's going to watch the hand grabs that girl, saves her. But anyway, you can see TikTok and Yahoo, or what's it called? YouTube, I think it's called, but X, I still call it Twitter. And Instagram and Facebook. And then my opportunities are here. And every single one of them complement each other. Except the bottom one, Pure Rock Radio. That's my radio station that I own here in Salt Lake City. I've had it since 2006. And if you like rock and roll, click that last button right there. You can check out my web page to my rock station here in Salt Lake City, okay? But anyway, take your time. Look into these opportunities. What got me into this online biz is Live Good. And see, when you click it, check it out. It goes right to the landing page that LiveGood provides you. You don't have to make it. Same with Legacy Builders. This is my #1 program that puts a pile of dough in my pocket. Okay? I'm very comfortable making $100 to $900 a day just with this opportunity. Okay? Look at how easy it is. You just put your email in, go ahead and watch a couple short videos, and then read the website. And guys, you're done. You're either in or out. Okay? Multiple funnel. This puts thousands of bucks in my pocket each month, and so does my email program. I average a couple thousand. But look into any one of these opportunities, okay? I make this so simple. I want you to just get a page like this for free if you're on a budget. If you can't afford business cards at 25 bucks, don't worry about it, guys. Do baby steps. And any of my opportunities, I'm not kidding you, save the money. If you have 100 bucks, great. Some of my programs, you can finance 25 bucks down, and then interest-free, do 25 bucks a month for the next 3 months, okay? Do whatever you can afford, because it's the holidays now. We're going on Christmas in about a week. And I know everyone gets diverted with gifts. Could be Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, or good old Christmas. Maybe you're just like not doing anything, but life is expensive, okay? So if you have 100 bucks, great. You have a couple hundred, that's even better, because then you can get the business cards, get the opportunity paid for. All right, get yourself a domain name for like 11 bucks at GoDaddy, like CoryDraper.com, okay? Or joincory.com. Business cards, 25. Domain name, about 11 bucks, give or take, okay? Social media, I consider it free because you're probably on there anyway. These darn phones are anywhere from 800 to 1,500 bucks now. But if you're already on this darn thing doing social media, you have everything it takes to be successful. If you want to go ahead and get a webcam where it's a little easier to sit at a desk and just relax, which I prefer, according to budget. Okay? It all comes down to according to budget. I just want you to relax and feel good about whatever you join. I'm going to send you an email, and I'll do everything I can. Like I said, guys, if this is an affiliate-based company, if you make money, I make money. I'm not going to, come on, take my hand, and then you're across the street, and then I just let you roam the streets trying to figure out, okay, well, where's the money-making store? Where is that bag of gold? Okay, let me just show you what I've learned over a year and a half, and let me make it simple for you. That's my expertise, I think, is how to make things simple. All right, and I want you to do the same thing, okay? Because at the end of the day, it'd be kind of cool to earn some, is it called moolah? I like to call it moolah, kind of a cool little name. So, guys, thank you for your time. I want you to just go to YouTube and bookmark, subscribe to my channel. Do the same thing on Facebook if you'd like. And go to that CoryDraper.com like I showed you, and just click the buttons. You can see right there. See at the very top, there's the excuse me, Facebook page, and then okay, there's YouTube right there. Okay, but it all starts with CoryDraper.com. Man, that is the easiest way for me to do a video now. Okay, guys, I am done. I'm out of here. Okay, and thanks for your time. Get a hold of me if you need something. Okay, talk to you later.